Introducing on body presentation, a new way to visualize garments on a virtual model using Raspberry AI. Start by uploading a garment image. This could be a rendered output from Sketch to Render, an image generated using product images, or any photo that clearly shows your garment. I'll use this pair of zebra printed palazzo pants generated in product images. Next, upload an image of a model. This could be an AI model generated in Raspberry AI or an image of a model you already have. For the most accurate results, pick a model wearing a similar type of garment. I've uploaded one of our preview examples that I've dressed in a pair of stiletto booties. Raspberry will automatically generate a mask that you can refine as needed. The mask should cover the areas that the new garment will dress. Since the pants are wide legged and I want them to fall over the shoes, I'll enlarge the mask and click confirm. Then we'll generate. Now I'll add a top to complete the look. I'll replace the pants with a linen top generated in product images. Then I'll click the three dot menu and select Use as Model to continue building my outfit. Raspberry suggests a mask that works perfectly, so I'll just click Generate to apply it. Once your outfit is ready, you can download it as a PNG, JPEG, TIFF, or PSD. You can also upscale to 4K, remove the background, save it to your library, or export directly to Miro. On body presentation also works with eyewear. I've created a pair of aviator sunglasses and an image of an AI model in Raspberry. I'll clear the suggested mask and brush a mask over the model's eyes, making sure to include the ears. Click Confirm, then we'll generate. Whether you're styling a single piece or building an entire look, on body presentation makes it easy to bring your garments to life on model.